Dear students, this is a video that explains the use of adjectives to state preferences and make comparisons. So when you talk to other people about clothes, you might want to express certain preferences and compare the pieces of clothing. On the left, you can see 3 examples of 3 questions. Which dress do you prefer? Esto se refiere a elección entre dos opciones, dos o más. So the person answers, I prefer the blue one. Which one do you like more? ¿Cuál te gusta más? I like the blue one more. And the third one, which one do you like better? ¿Cuál te gusta más? I like the black one better. So these are the 3 ways that you can use to ask for preferences. As you can see on the bottom of your screen, you have 2 jackets. You have a brown leather one and you have a gray one. So you can ask, which jacket do you prefer? Or which one do you like more? Or which one do you like better? In the middle of the chart, there are 3 sentences. It's nicer than the black one. Es más lindo que el negro. It's lighter than the black one. Es más claro que el negro. It's more stylish than the blue one. Es más de moda que el azul. This is when you give a reason why do you prefer the piece of clothing that you mentioned. And here you can see some adjectives. The base form of the adjective is nice, as you can see right here. But when you use it in comparison, you say nicer than, más lindo que. On the next one, it says it's lighter than. As you can see, it follows the same rule. Light, you add er to make the comparison form. And the last one, it says it's more stylish than. In this case, stylish has 2 syllables. So for adjectives with 2 or more syllables, you have to add more before the adjective to make it into comparison. We're going to get into more examples in the next video. Thank you.